Hi guys, we're Indy Kitchen with Indy, my mom. Today we will be seasoning oxtail. Stay tuned.
Hi guys, welcome back to Indy Kitchen with Indy. Don't know. Today we're doing some oxtail. Quick things. I'm gonna show you guys how to season it. So we have some black pepper, we have some salt, browning, onion powder, a whole onion, oxtail seasoning, we have some thyme, I have some seasoned salt here. This is my own personal mix. This isn't the Cool Running. This is my own little mix, but it's just seasoned salt. Pimento and green onion. I make my own green seasoning, and I have a little bit of soya sauce that I'm gonna use here. So these are the ingredients, and let's get to it. So first I go over with the seasoned salt. Like, I just like to do like a layer of seasoning, like that's it. One layer of seasoning salt, black pepper, onion powder, oxtail seasoning. I don't even use that much because when I cook this, I have beer flavor. Salt, and those are the main seasonings that I use. Now to the herbs. So I threw in most of my ingredients there. In the beginning of the video, I crushed up some pimento seeds. So now I'm gonna dash in these ones whole, just so you have an idea how much I put in. I'm just gonna do a little drop of soya sauce. I don't know why we even put soya sauce, but whatever. That's just how my granny used to do it. So soya. Now we're going in with the browning. We want this well browned, so I put enough, because remember, we're gonna add water and all of that to it, right? So now we come in with the green seasoning, and this, you know, I just like to pour it in, and that's about it. And then now with your hand, massage up the meat, you know. Rub it in, massage it, you know. The brownie makes it look dark, colorful, seasoned, you know. And I don't like to put too much salt and sitting, because by the time I brown it and whatever, I still have to season up the gravy and all of that tomorrow too, right? So this is step one basically. Well, step two, because step one are cleaning it, right? So, and then there you go. There you have it. Seasoned oxtail. I'm gonna put it in the fridge overnight, and then in 24 hours I will show you guys how to cook it up. See you soon.